backlighting on phones is a new trend, guys, and Tecno has also jumped onto this one. The brand has recently unveiled their all new POVA 5 series smartphones in India, and today in the house we specifically have their POVA 5 Pro Edition smartphone, and this one actually packs like very interesting. One of the segment first features actually at this price point. Main design highlight is you're getting a transparent back panel with ARC interface RGB LED lighting. That is something I'm really excited to show you people in this video. And apart from that, you're also getting like a super fast 120 Hz 1080p display. Pair that with like a powerful chipset and up to 16 gigs of RAM, guys. And not only that, you're also getting up to like 50 megapixel dual camera setup. So I'm like very excited to unbox and talk about this smartphone, guys, in this video. Let's get started with the unboxing. So guys, our brand new POVA 5 Pro from Tecno came in this sort of box packaging. Very cool looking box. I've told you, right, we got the special media package over here, and inside this we have the phone. Let me just give you like a quick overview on the box packaging and talk about that. Let me just peel off this sticker. Very cool looking box packaging. I have to say Tecno has really upped their game, and I think they want to highlight the cameras on this particular model and also not to miss out their all new ARC interface design. On the side it says discover the light, and oh, look at this, we have a switch over here. Wonder what it does. Let me just quickly flip it up and show you. Oh my god, are you people looking at this? It actually started glowing. I was not expecting that. So it does indicate that phone comes with like beautiful RGB LED backlighting. So this is something you people have to wait and check it out. Let's quickly get started with the unboxing. So as soon as you open the package, there you go boys, our much awaited brand new POVA 5 Pro Edition from Tecno. And that is pretty much it. Nothing else in the box, I guess. And at the top it says, POVA 5 branding launching on 11th August 2023. Keeping all of that aside, now let's quickly check out the main packaging of the phone. As usual, guys, clean packaging, I'd say. Tecno branding mentions POVA 5 Pro on the box. It's a 5G smartphone and is available in two different colors. You get the Dark Illusion and Silver Fantasy. We have the Dark Illusion edition, and that too, this is the 8 plus 128GB edition. You also get a special 256GB variant also. At the back, you have all of its main specs and highlights. Just have a look at them. We'll anyhow get back to the specs in a moment. First of all, now let's quickly get started with the unboxing. And there you go, as soon as you open the package, wow, we have the brand new smartphone at the top. I've told you, right, this is the Dark Illusion edition. Comes nicely packed over here in this cover. Keeping that aside, we also have some accessories in the package. You get some paperwork, just make sure to read that. A free clear case for the phone, that is also pre-included in the package. Definitely good quality case. And main highlight, guys, as I've told you, segment first 68 watt ultra fast charger included with a Type-C cable for charging. That's it, these are all the accessories. Now let's finally have our very first look at the smartphone, and let me actually show you how this brand new POVA 5 Pro Edition smartphone looks like. Oh my god. Initial impression, smartphone looks absolutely beautiful, guys. I mean, look at the whole new design over here. It's got like a 3D textured pattern, and the brand is calling it as like a futuristic cyber inspired design. We'll get there in a moment. First of all, let me give you like a quick overview and start off from the front side. On the front, you're getting a 6.78 inch 1080p Full HD plus 120 Hz LCD display, and going to the top here, you can check out a 16 megapixel AI front camera. And also look at this, you're also getting like a pre-applied screen guard from the factory. Now going to the side, here's how the profile looks like. Very flat sort of design, I'd say. Very nice. And you have a power button with an integrated fingerprint scanner and a volume rocker just above that. Quality of the buttons is also good. At the top, this one is your secondary speaker, guys. The phone features stereo speakers powered by DTS. And on the left side, you have a SIM card tray. This one is your traditional type tray. Supports dual nano SIMs plus micro SD. So yes, storage on it is expandable, and it's a 5G phone, guys. I think supports around like 10 5G bands. On the bottom, you're getting a 3.5mm headphone jack. Primary mic is here, Type-C port for charging, and your right channel speaker. And here's how the back profile of the smartphone looks like. And let me tell you, Dark Illusion color looks really beautiful in person, guys. Sort of gives you that deep navy blue sort of effect in bright outdoor situations. Anyways, if you talk about the design, as I've told you, design is special, guys. You're getting a cyber inspired 3D textured pattern, and not to miss out, you're getting like RGB arc LED lighting at the back side that automatically lights up at different scenarios and situations, fully customizable as well. You have the Tecno POVA branding over here, and overall build quality of the phone is very good. Now going to the top, let me give you a quick look at the camera setup as well. You're getting a dual camera setup at the back side. Primary one is a 50 megapixel f1.6 camera. This is something highlight at this price point. And the secondary one I believe is an AI depth camera. So that's it, our complete overview on the phone. And by the way, phone is powered by 5000 milliampere battery, and on the front you're getting Panda glass protection. This is something I forgot to mention. So that was our complete overview on the phone. What I'll do is I'll quickly set it up, use it for some time, and then be right back to continue this video. So guys, our phone is all set up and good to go, and I've actually set up the fingerprint reader as well. I've showed you, right? You're getting a side mounted fingerprint reader integrated in the power button. Let's quickly put that to a test and see how it performs. Okay. Hey, not bad actually. The fingerprint reader on board was doing a very good job. It's like easily accessible at a very convenient position and unlocks quite accurately most of the time, guys. And anyways, there you go. Here's how the display on the phone looks like. And initial impressions, display actually looks pretty good for the price point. Let me actually open a white page so you'll get a better idea on the bezels and overall quality. As you can see, bezels on the phone are very thin, especially on the sides and the top. On the bottom, you do have a bit of chin, but again, hey, for this price point, I think it's pretty much acceptable. So out of the box, the POVA 5 Pro runs on Android version 13, which is the newest available out there, and comes with iOS version 13.1. It's basically the skin and overall interface, guys. Very clean and minimalistic UI, I'd say, and overall animations also feel smooth. Let's just quickly head over to the settings and talk about the software related information. I have told you, right, phone runs on Android version 13 and is powered by Dimensity 6080 chipset. And if you talk about the RAM, on board you're getting like 8 gigs of LPDDR4X RAM, but good part is it's also virtually expandable using their memory fusion function up to extra 8 GB. So totally you can get around like 16 gigs of RAM on this model. And coming to the storage, I've told you, right, phone is available in two variants. You're getting 128 gig variant and a 256 GB edition is also there. We have the 128 GB variant, and out of the box around 18 to 20 GB of storage is already used, but still you're left with around like 107 108 GB of free space, which is plenty I believe. But not to worry, you can even expand the storage using a micro SD card. And you might also ask about the storage type used on board. Well, it features UMCP 128 GB of onboard storage. So that was about the software section. And going to the display settings, plenty of display settings are there. You can adjust the refresh rate from 60, 90, 120, or you can even select it to like auto mode as well, which will automatically change the refresh rate of the panel depending on the type of content you're watching. And going to the sound settings, here you can actually choose the DTS audio optimizations and EQ settings as well. And in the special function, you can access plenty of settings which include customization for the LED backlighting as well, guys, the arc interface RGB lighting. You've got plenty of scenarios, like you can adjust the type of lighting effect you should get when you're getting a call, or maybe like a notification or SMS, and you can even change like party music effects as well. So that was basically it, our complete look at the home screen and settings as well. What I'll do is I'll quickly open up YouTube, play some videos over there, just have a look at them, and then we'll come back and talk about the display and speaker quality of this phone. So Sheetal, your brand new parts have arrived over here. But what exactly was your old PC? I don't remember the configuration. It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. So guys, I've told you, right, the phone packs a 6.78 inch 1080p resolution 120Hz IPS LCD display, and display quality is actually pretty good for this price point. No, I'm not exaggerating. It's not like those cheap panels out there. The brand has used a good quality IPS LCD panel. There's decent amount of detail, guys, all thanks to that 1080p resolution. No matter what sort of content you're watching, everything looks crisp and clear, especially text on websites. And also I've watched watched a couple of web series and movies on OTT platforms and was like plenty satisfied with the display quality over here. And talking about the colors, color accuracy, color reproduction is also on point thanks to that good quality IPS panel. And if you talk about the overall brightness, right, the panel can go up to 580 nits of brightness, and I didn't have any sort of issues checking out the display even in bright outdoor situations as well. Viewing angles are also pretty wide. Picture look the same no matter from which angle you were viewing. Overall, now for the price that you're paying, you'll be like very happy and satisfied with the display on this phone. And not to miss out the main highlight over here, you're getting up to like 120 Hz super fast refresh rate panel with up to 240 Hz touch sampling rate. So not just for entertainment category guys, it's also great for gaming as well. And coming to gaming, obviously we'll come to the performance part as well in a moment, but before that let me quickly tell you about the speaker setup. You're getting a stereo speaker setup on this phone, one at the top, one on the bottom, and audio quality was also like very good guys. It was producing a crisp and clear vocals, vocal clarity was really good, and the mids had this nice and mellow feel to them. Overall sound profile on this phone was very well tuned because it's got like DTS, right, and also has support for high res audio as well. And damn, I have to say these stereo speakers were like pretty loud, and the distortion was also like quite minimum. Okay, I know you people have been waiting for this part, so let's talk about the performance. The phone is powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 6080 chipset. It's a 5G chipset guys based on 6nm process and packs 8 cores on board, and is like a really good performing chipset at this price point, especially under 15,000 rupees. I've been using it for quite some time, right? Overall day-to-day tasks like navigating through the home screen, opening and closing of apps, transitions felt buttery smooth on this phone. And also not to miss out that 120 Hz refresh rate panel definitely added to that overall performance. So initial impressions, performance over here look pretty great, and not just that, you can even do some really good gaming as well. And coming to gaming, phone also packs some really interesting gaming features as well. You're getting Panther Game Engine 3.0, and especially when you're playing games, right, by swiping from the edge of the phone you can actually access this game engine and tweak a lot of settings. It even shows you like real-time frame rate, real-time CPU temperature, and lots of other stuff as well. And coming to the gaming performance, yes, you can do some good gaming for this price point. You can play most of your games like Asphalt 9, BGMI, Call of Duty, all of these games at good graphic settings as well. Right now I'll give you like a quick demo on BGMI. As you can see, I was playing this game at HD graphics and overall gameplay experience felt pretty good. Again guys, this is not like an in-depth gaming review that we'll be doing in this video. I'll be using this phone for a couple of days, and there I'll be sharing my complete gaming experience and talk about the overall performance, how are the thermals and all of that in a separate second video guys, so stay tuned for that. So we're almost coming to an end, right? Let me quickly open up the camera app and show you how the interface on it looks like. So pretty much similar interface you'd find on other Tecno phones. You've got plenty of camera modes available, like portrait mode is there, smart AI mode is also there, and the phone is also capable of shooting up to like 2K 30fps video or 1080p 60fps video. Now I did shoot a couple of picture samples as well. I'll just quickly show them to you. Just have a look at these images. You'll get an idea on the image and sensor quality. Well, that is pretty much it guys. This is what I wanted to share with you all in this video. Now I'll be using this phone for a couple of days, and after that I'll be making like my dedicated review video. So in that review video I'll be giving like full on information about the performance of the phone. We'll do like in-depth gaming as well. We'll check out the thermal performance and plenty of other stuff as well, and in that only we'll talk about the battery life of this phone. Apart from this, if you have like any other questions or you'd like to know anything about the phone, let me know in the comment section so I can actually cover them over there. And wait a second, I haven't told you about the pricing of the phone, right? Tecno has went really aggressive with the pricing over here. The POVA 5 Pro 5G costs only around like 14,999 for the 128GB variant, and the 256GB edition costs around like 15,999. So I'll leave links for the phones and everything in the description box below. You can check it out there. And that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and got a lot of information about this model. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.